We're making water. And we're running it idle on the Honda. We're on the Predator. We're just running it idle. A gallon of gas, I think, will last a long time. Well, we started this running at 6:30 p.m. It's now 10:30. I just topped off the gas. It was still running when I got here. We're still making water. If I don't trip and fall getting to the hole. Yep. Still making water. It's got its work cut out for it though. Everybody came up and drank. We are pretty down. So I guess we'll see what happens. So after running all through the night, we got 2/3 of a tank, and the cows all drank late last night, so he'll be able to flip it over and start filling that tank here in about an hour or two. The solar will kick in about an hour. So that's all we get.